Okay.
Hello, Jose. Here's this is our receiving end. That's a mess. Jeez. And here's our sending end.
Transmitting.
Transmitting end. That'd be the word. That'd be the word for that. So if you see, these joysticks actually are going to control.
Let's see these bad boys spin.
So when these joysticks are moved,
then both of the motors are going to go forward.
boom! Look at that.
Swag.
And backward.
What?
Swag.
What? That's crazy. Can you move them in different directions though?
This will turn.
What?
turn the motors in different directions.
Holy
and this one will
mother
turn
of pearl.
the motors so that the robot is spinning
Very
in
cool.
the opposite direction.
Very cool.
And can you move those servos also?
Let's see these servos.
With that
in
other
action.
joystick?
Okay, so the other joystick, if you click the button, it will cause the
Ooh.
claw
You be moving?
to open and close.
Wow.
And the y-axis on the joystick causes the servo
Wow.
Keep
motor
turning.
for the arm to rotate.
Wow, that's
Backwards
crazy.
and forwards.
And this
Okay.
button activates the code, so when you turn it off, you can move the joysticks and it doesn't cause
That's a
anything.
really cool feature.
I like that feature.
That's a really cool feature. Okay, you want to talk us through these codes real quick?
Yeah.
Just a little rundown.
So this is the transmitting code, and it just is very simple. It sets up the radio to start writing, and then we use a true toggle on both buttons. One is for activating the code, and the other one is for moving the claw. And it's a true toggle, so it only changes the variables once every time the buttons are pressed. And then this is to read the joystick values, and we print that out to the serial monitor. And then we read X and Y for one joystick and Y for the other joystick. And then if activated, we send data to the other side, which we can look at
Oh.
over here.
You be getting data.
Transitions. And for this one, we set up all the motors and the servos and everything. And then we're gonna read the data if it's available, and we unpack the data that was in the structure, and we set variables equal to it, and then we use those joystick values to set the motor to go either forward or backward, and then if it's on the other axis, it will cause it to turn. And these just set the kind of movement that we're looking for, and then when we write here, it will either turn or cause the drivetrain to go forward and backward. And then here's the code for the claw, which just checks to see if the claw is open or closed, and then it writes to the servo to move 180 degrees. And then the arm angle uses this y-axis on that second joystick to write the angle of the
Yep.
arm thing. the robotic thing that
Arm.
will work.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
And that would be that.
And it just runs over and over so we can continue receiving data.
Thanks for watching.
Shake it a little bit.
Thanks for watching, Jose.